So yep, here we go once again. The guitar unboxing videos. This was a purchase from Musician's Friend, but it came from a Guitar Center. Everybody knows about Guitar Center and Musician's Friend and Music 123, they're all the same. So let's see what we've got. How they pack this. Lots of bubble wrap. Not in a case or any kind of box. In a sea of bubble wrap. Wow, this is kind of bizarre. I've been looking for one of these for a while. And, hopefully it made it in one piece. That's why the box is super light. Jeez. Quite the bubble wrap. So this was listed as being mint. And okay, little tremolo arm. That's kind of bizarre. How do you sell a guitar as being mint, but you don't send the Whammy box? Oh, there it is. I don't see any Allen keys or anything like that, so. And there it is. We will, obviously, I see a little bit of an imperfection there. You probably can't see it. Looks like a little neck pocket crackage. Yeah, there's a little bit of a finish thing right there, but it's really just in the finish. So they're gonna say this was I don't know if this was a display model or what, but it does look like it's in pretty good condition, so have to give it the once over. Check all the settings and tunings and make sure that everything works. Floyd Rose, made in Mexico. Put it down on the bench and make sure I don't see anything. There you go. Fender Mexico Strat 3-tone Sunburst. Well, I just removed the back cavity on the springs and not sure what's going on here. Obviously this hasn't been set up properly. So we'll have to obviously tweak everything, but as we go, I'm going to check things out and see how it looks. There's a little bit of a crack in the finish right there. Not sure if you can see that. GoPros don't like being up close, but alright, let's go on. Okay, so I'm in the process of trying to just get this set up as standard A440, and these screws, the heads are really stripped out. I mean, they still work, but they've definitely been messed with, and so whoever was working on it didn't have the proper screwdrivers, but that's one thing so far. We'll keep track as we go. Okay, so we did some adjustments here. It took me a while to get the the Floyd to be level. Right now it's in standard tuning, which isn't how I'm going to use this guitar, but those adjustment screws on the back were really kind of screwed up, so they will need to be replaced. And as far as, as long as these all work, these were a little loose, so I know they're not stripped, so I was able to tighten them. But I actually ended up putting another spring in the system just so, because I couldn't get those any further forward, the adjustment screws in the back. But let's do a pickup reading. Let me shut up. So the neck, 738. Second position, 3.9. Middle position, and I believe that's, I don't know what 2.64 is, but that's kind of wacky. And then that's the full humbucker, 755. So pretty similar to the other one. This is a 2019. So they sold this as being mint, but to me, cosmetically it looks good except for that neck pocket issue. This input jack or output jack doesn't have like a tight snap, and it is kind of loose, so I have to check that out as well. So we'll see what else happens as we go on this guitar, but it was a pretty good price.